Friction, Class 8th, Chapter 12, Second Part. Friction in air. Friction arises even when an object is made to move through air. The object motion is stopped by the air resistance. Now examples. The bodies of aeroplanes are made streamlined in order to ensure the minimum friction as they move through air. Streamlined body shape of the aeroplane offer minimum friction as the aeroplane move through air. Children, you are seeing pic of streamlined shape of an aeroplane and streamlined body of the bird. Both are in air, so they can easily move in air due to their streamlined body shape. In nature, the bodies of all birds are shaped in a manner that they experience a minimum friction while flying in air and can fly with a lot of speed. All automobiles, motorcycle, car, buses, etc. and space launch vehicles are specially designed to minimize the effect of friction of air. Activity 7. Aim to study the friction due to air. For this activity, materials required: a flat sheet of paper, a sheet of paper crumbled into a ball. Means you need a flat sheet of paper and a sheet of paper which is crumbled in the form of a ball. Now method or procedure: hold the sheet of paper flat at some height in one hand. Also hold the another sheet of paper crumbled into a ball in another hand. Now allow both of them to fall on the ground simultaneously from the same height. Now children, we have to check out of these two which will reach the ground first. Now come to observation. So we will notice that crumpled sheet reaches the ground first. Conclusion: this happens due to the fact that the flat sheet of paper has a larger surface area, so it experiences a greater force of friction while passing through air. Therefore, it slows down. On the other hand, when the sheet is crumpled into a ball, it occupies very small surface area, so it experiences lesser force of friction while passing through air. Therefore, it reaches the ground first. The most spectacular example of friction of air is a shooting star or a meteor. Shooting stars, these are actually stone-like objects that enters Earth atmosphere from space. Since they have a very high velocity speed, means they are traveling with high velocity, so the friction due to air is extremely high. Due to this high friction, the temperature of meteors rises to such a high degree that they catch fire and begin to glow. Thus, the heat generated due to friction of air is so large that they usually get evaporated before reaching the surface of the earth. Only very large meteors can reach Earth's surface, and those which are reaches Earth's surface, they are known as meteorites. Children, you are seeing a pic of burning meteor. It appears like a streak of light